In this video, we will demonstrate the Cyfair bariatric unit's use for loading and unloading with the lift and the bariatric stretcher. Make sure to grab the stretcher's handrails out of the vehicle's driver's side compartment and grab the lift controls prepared for use. The unit's lift does not require the unit to be running to be functional. Raise the lift slightly to allow you to pull the lift out. Make sure the locking lever is pulled to the left to release it and allow you to pull the lift out of its docked position. Each folding section has locking pins to maneuver so that it can unlock to unfold. Once the lift is level with the floor of the unit, lower the rear door to the lift and remove the stretcher from the unit onto the lift as seen here. Before lowering the lift, make sure the lift's rear door is closed and the stretcher is towards the front of the lift. At this point, you can attach the handrails to the stretcher to prepare for maneuvering the stretcher off of the lift. Lower the front on the lift and pull the stretcher out. Then attach the second set of handrails before using the stretcher. At this point, you should be able to use your stretcher as needed. We will now go over the loading portion and use of the lift. As you are loading the stretcher, you will need to stop and remove the handrails located at the head of the stretcher to get it to completely fit onto the lift. Once again, with the stretcher on the lift, you need to make sure it stays towards the front of the lift for loading and not towards the back. If it is located towards the back, it will get caught between the lift and the unit. Sometimes operators may struggle with the wheels on the stretcher. Be aware it may take some maneuvering to get the stretcher to load into the unit successfully. The stretcher should be secured to the unit as soon as possible before any other steps are taken. Keep hands and fingers located on the top and bottom of each section to avoid pinch points. Sides of the lift are areas of pinch points. Once folding is complete, you can lower the lift into the proper position to prepare for stowing the lift. Before pushing the lift into position, make sure the lift is unlocked and in the correct height position, as seen here. Make sure the lift is lowered back into the stowed position. Once you are done with this, you are ready to begin moving the unit. Here we will show you how to operate the manual portions of the lift in the event of a failure. Here in this picture is the manual lifting mechanism, and this is the red button in the manual lowering mechanism. To operate the lift, to raise it, just place the handlebar into the opening and pump it as needed. To lower the lift, follow these next set of directions.
So you press it down and twist it to the left and it pops up. And that releases the pressure, so lower. And it'll keep lowering until you press it down and twist it back to the right.
Thank you for watching this video on the operation of the Cy-Fair Bariatric Unit. If you have any questions, please follow your chain of command.